Hello, I welcome you all to today's lesson. So this is a question that we have here. This question is under trigonometry, which is involving bearings. So you need to know how to answer questions under trigonometry that involves bearing. So now, how can you answer this question? So we've got the first question, which is saying calculate AC. So we want to calculate the distance AC. Where is AC? AC is there. So AC is there, have you seen AC is there? And the first thing that should come to your mind is which law are you supposed to use under this question? So if you look at what you are given the two sides which are here and no angle is given. But because there is an angle which is given there, there is a possibility of us finding an angle which is there. So before we know which rule to use, let us try by finding one angle inside this triangle. So which angle can we find? It's very easy for us to find an angle which is there, because we know that the way these are arranged in this manner, the angle which is there and the angle which is there, these two should add up to 180. So if you are given 120, here we don't know, but we know that the angle which is there and the angle which is here should add up to 180. So what you are going to do is this: you are just going to say 180 minus 120. What is your answer? Your answer is 60 degrees. So meaning that here you've got what? 60 degrees. So after we found that there is 60 degrees, this is a right angle. And a right angle adds up to 90. So you just say 90 minus 60. What answer are you getting? You're getting a 30 degrees. Meaning that there you've got what? 30 degrees. So we found the angle which is there. So our concentration now should just be on this triangle now. This is the triangle now. Have you seen? Two sides are given, then putting the angle in the middle. So when two sides are given, putting the angle in the middle. Which law are we supposed to use? This is the cosine law. So we are going to use cosine law to calculate a distance which is there, to calculate distance AC. So you know that this one facing this side, this is where we've got small letter B. C facing down here, small letter C. We've got A facing this side, C small letter A, like this. So for us to find this distance, AC is the same as small letter B. This is just one and the same. So I can use AC or I can use small letter B. But when concluding, I need to make sure that I conclude that AC is equal to the answer which I found. So in this case, what I'm going to do is this. This is what I'm going to do. So hope you've understood on the bearing. Once you get a wrong angle there, automatically everything is affected. So you need to make sure that you understand this clearly. So you know that I'm going to say this is B. So I'll say B squared is equal to, I add these two. This is A squared plus this is C squared, like this. This is the formula. I believe on the formula you know. Minus 2AC then cos theta. This is the formula that we get to use. So we are finding AC. This is the first question that we have. B squared, we've got AC there. B is AC. So AC squared is equal to, what is A? A is there, which is 40. So just say 40 squared plus, what is my C? C is here, which is 56 squared. Minus 2 times what? A, which is 40, times C, which is 56. I do that. Then I just say cos the angle. What angle am I given? So what angle am I given there? This is what? A 30. The angle there, which is 30. So I'm not supposed to use this angle because this one is out of a triangle which is given. My concentration is just on this triangle which I formed, which is looking like this now. It is just looking like this. 30 there. Then I've got 40. Then I've got 56 there. So this is now a triangle that I need to look at. A, C, B. Then you're told to find this one. Have you seen? So you've dealt with those things. the bearing. We've handled that question. So this is a triangle that we are looking at now. This is a triangle that we are looking at. So now you just do the substitution there, where you say AC squared is equal to, you get to add everything there the way I've written. So we start 40 squared plus 56 squared minus 2 times 40 times 56 cos 30. So what is the answer? The answer that we are going to get will be 856.206,191. Then you introduce the square root both sides so that this square and the square root to cancel out. We are going to have AC, which will be equal to, AC is now equal to what? AC is equal to, what is the square root there? When you introduce the square root, you get 29.2610012. You just say, therefore, AC is equal to 29.26 kilometers, like this. That is your answer. This is what you need to do. So make sure you understand this part very well. I move now to the last question. Have you seen the last question, which is here? So I've answered this, so I can lab this. I've answered this. So this question is saying, calculate area of triangle ABC. We calculate the area of that triangle. So maybe these things are confusing you, so I'll just do this so that you understand very well. So I'm going to do this. This is A, this is B, this is C. So there I've got 40 kilometers. Here I've got 56 kilometers. The angle there I've got 30 degrees, like that. So whenever you see such a question in an exam and you are taught to calculate the area of a triangle, even if you didn't answer this one well, as long as the angle given there is correct, you just say area of a triangle is equal to, this is a non-right angled triangle. So you introduce sine theta. This is just an independent formula on its own. Don't say we used cos there, so even here we are supposed to use cos. No, this is an independent formula on its own. So where B and the H are the two sides that are putting the angle in the middle. So what you're going to do now is that area is now equal to half times, what is B? You just say 56 times 40, like this. Then you say sine the angle, which is what? 30. Then what is your answer there? Finally, what answer are you getting? You know that B and H are the two sides that are putting this theta in the middle. So I always tell you 1 over 2 is just the same as 0.5 times 56 times 40 sine 30. What answer are we getting? We are getting 560. So kilometers squared. This is your answer. This is what you are supposed to do. So make sure you understand this very well. You get the concept. These are things that are supposed to be known as a student. You are supposed to know these things. So make sure you know these. You don't know what they may bring in an exam. So make sure you get this concept and understand it. Thank you so much. So if you are watching this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to comment and let me know where you are watching me from. Make sure you comment where you are watching me from. I get to know where people are connecting from. And if you're looking for tuitions, you can contact me on this number. I'll be there to help you. This is my number. You can WhatsApp me. This is my number. We do offer intensive online tuitions. You can WhatsApp me on this line, then I'll be able to add you to the group and join us. Thank you so much.